must be all about safety. The Home Depot is committed to the safety of its customers, associates, and vendors. If you have any safety concerns, please ask a member of management for assistance.